Hi there. Meet the Hum by Colgate Smart Rhythm Sonic Toothbrush Kit, designed for a superior clean. This sleek, ergonomic toothbrush uses powerful sonic vibrations, delivering 30,000 pulses per minute for gentle yet effective cleaning. Its floss tip bristles reach deep between teeth to remove plaque and promote healthy gums. The smart brush syncs with an app to track your brushing frequency and duration, helping you improve your habits. With a built-in 2-minute timer that pulses every 30 seconds, it guides you to brush evenly. Choose between 2 vibration levels, normal or sensitive, to customize your experience. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, this toothbrush offers up to 90 days of use on a single set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.